Hello and welcome to Byzantine Iconography Tutorial Series 7, in which we'll be studying some additional figures, starting off with the crucifixion. On a historical note, there were no images of the crucifixion, that is of Christ on the cross, for the first 4 centuries of Christianity, most likely due to the persecution of the Christian Church. Images of the crucifixion did exist during this time, but they were usually expressing mockery and revulsion. It is only from the 430s that we start having images of the crucifixion that reflect the definition of the Fourth Ecumenical Council of Chalcedon in 451 AD, that states that Christ is perfect God and perfect man, one person with two natures. The Orthodox icon of the crucifixion doesn't try to manipulate the viewer's emotions and doesn't dwell on the physical aspects of the crucifixion. As St. Leo the Great states, let the eyes of your mind not dwell only on that sight which those wicked sinners saw, but let our understanding, illumined by the Spirit of truth, foster with pure and free heart the glory of the cross which irradiates heaven and earth, and see with the inner sight what the Lord meant when he spoke of his coming passion. The hour is come that the Son of Man may be glorified. It's quite simple to draw, and as I mentioned before, it is drawn on an S-curve.